Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my pencil case. So first off, let me just get it open. Let me just get it all out. I'll just get out the big ones first. Oh my god, I can't even get the... Alright, is that all of them? Nope, I see another one. Oh my god. And these were in a big case. I put them in a little, a drawer. If you want to see that, it's called Art Holder 2. So go watch that if you want to see what the pen thing looks like. So first, I've got all these. So here's like a peach, a green, a grey, a pink. Oh, so pink, grey, green, a green. Well, it looks like turquoise. Light red, red, brown, light blue, blue, turquoise, blue, and a green. So that's all of the big ones that I have. I think I have more, but I don't know. In there. So next I'll do the small ones. I have pretty much loads of these small ones, not gonna lie. I do have crayons. I have a lot of crayons, but I just didn't bring them because I don't want them. Oh, and I also have this yellow. I didn't see that in there. So this is what didn't I have more? I thought I hadn't. This is a pencil case. I do have a poppet one, but I'm not bringing that one. So I have this orange, this brown, this blue, this pink, this turquoise. I accidentally took that out and I thought it was a big one. I think this is like a dark blue. Yeah. A green. White, purple, pinkish. Kind of like a mauve colour. And this is a dark purple. Put them also over here. And I'm also bringing like mini pencils in case like we're not allowed to use if we're gonna use pencils, not pens. So I have some pencils. I have a bunch of these. I don't know I have a purple, yellow, like orange, yellow. What's that? Wait, yeah, yellow. Peachish, peach, yellowish, kind of. Turquoisey, bluish, red, and all these colours. I have brown, greens, whites, blacks, blues, oranges, red. Yeah, so let's put these back. And I'm going to put these back, so I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, next pack. So I have this pencil. I am bringing 2 pencils, a red pen and this black pen. And in the bottom one, a dinosaur rubber, and I have a sharpener. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm hoping that you have been enjoying my last couple of videos, and yeah, I hope you have been enjoying. And I'll show you my Poppet pencil case, because I know you are probably like, oh, I wonder what the Poppet pencil case looks like. So I'll just get it. This is what it looks like. Then once you open it, you can pop all of them back. This is what it looks like in the inside. It has space. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And please subscribe, like, comment, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to if you don't want to, but hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye! And also, please give me some ideas what to do. I might do a room tour next. Anyways, please give me some ideas what to do. Oh, and let's make this thing. It's like rainbow. It's really cool. It's made of Sharpies, and then I did have my pencils in it, but I was bringing them. So also, if you want to know what it's made of made of a pink millions case, and all you need to do is take these little clips and pop them on. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoyed, and please give me some I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please give me some ideas what to do. Anyways, bye. Hope you enjoyed.